"Oh, Mama Kechi, your skin is glowing. Oh, what did you use? This product I bought it from Mama Aramide. They sell am for 2.5. You buy it and you need to combine. You need to fight it. Hyperpigmentation is something you fight and not something you just relax and say, I pray it works. I'm gonna be patient, it works. It's gonna work if you're patient, but hydroquinone is not bad. It's the way you use it that is bad. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's been 3 whole weeks, guys. I've been dealing with a lot of things, but I'm trying so hard to show up, because I want to get to 1K subscribers by the end of the year, and I hope and believe that you guys can do it for me. So today we're going to be talking about hyperpigmentation. Hyperpigmentation is something that is normal, something that you see in almost everybody's skin. It's something that most Africans have, especially Black people. Once you're Black, you're prone to hyperpigmentation. So we're going to be talking about why you're having your own hyperpigmentation and the treatment. I mean, how to get rid of it. You know, hyperpigmentation is not something that you can get rid of in a day or something you can just work towards getting rid of in 2 weeks, 1 month. Hyperpigmentation takes time, and that time it takes is what is going to make your skin get better. The perseverance, the determination, the consistency will help your skin a lot. So today we're going to be dealing with hyperpigmentation. Once you have melanin on your skin, you are prone to hyperpigmentation, and the things that produce melanin in your skin is called melanocytes. So if you have this color or any other color that looks like dark, you're prone to hyperpigmentation. Have you ever seen white people talking about hyperpigmentation? No. It's either they talk about red spots or dark spots. Dark spots is rarely, but as a Black person, once you have pimple or any acne on your face, boom, it turns to hyperpigmentations and dark spots. And dark spots is an example of hyperpigmentation. I know you don't know that. So I'm going to be talking about why do you have hyperpigmentation. Number 1 is UV rays. UV rays are the number 1 leading cause of hyperpigmentation, as in number 1, and it's caused by the sun. UV rays can be caused by UV exposures from going out without your sunscreen, or maybe you can go out without your sunscreen but you can still have hyperpigmentation, and that your friend that you're going out with may not have hyperpigmentation. That is how it works. It's not much that is going to happen to everybody, and it's not much that is going to happen to you the same way it happens to your friend, because you guys are always in the same place and at the same time. Secondly, hormonal changes. Once you're pregnant, you're prone to hyperpigmentation. Your neck starts getting dark. I'm currently pregnant and my neck is about to get dark. I am very sure of that. But for now, it's not dark yet. It may be dark, but I don't know because I am very, very dark. So I won't really know if my neck is dark. Secondly, taking birth pills. Birth control pills can cause hyperpigmentation. If you don't know that today. It doesn't happen to A, doesn't mean it will not happen to B. Your friend takes birth control, this particular birth control you take, and she doesn't have hyperpigmentation. Why is my own different? Bodies are different. The skin is different. Body system is different. Because she takes it and doesn't have hyperpigmentation, doesn't mean you will not have hyperpigmentation. She might be facing other side effects of those birth control, but your own will be hyperpigmentation. So once you take birth control pills, you are prone to hyperpigmentation. The third one is some medications. Some medications can cause hyperpigmentation, and if it was prescribed by the doctor will definitely tell you this drug can give you hyperpigmentation, but you have no choice than to take it. Example, if you have diabetes can cause hyperpigmentation. You look at some people's neck, you see dark patches on their neck. I'm not talking of just dark neck. People that are pregnant have that type of, like, when they are pregnant and they're diabetic at the same time. If you look at their neck, you see not only dark neck, you see dark patches. It's really like there is something that they pasted on top of their neck that is dark. It is also hyperpigmentation. And once you start seeing all those things on your neck and you're not pregnant, get to the hospital. You need to get to the hospital because it might be something really, really serious. It's like one of the first and second signs of diabetes. So rush to the hospital and get it treated. Don't just start trying so many products that will brighten your neck. It's not going to work. It's going to get worse. So the hospital is what you need to go to at that point. The third one is genetics. You know, genetics is very, very strong. It's like one of the strongest thing that will ever happen to somebody. So if you're in your family, you guys are prone to hyperpigmentation easily. Let's say your mom has some dark patches on her skin for no reason. Just know that you may get it. And your own dark patch can be caused by hers. And also, that type of dark patch is very, very difficult to treat. Like, it takes a lot of time. That's why I said in the beginning of my video that consistency and perseverance is what will get rid of your hyperpigmentation, and not just relaxing. Like, you need to combine, you need to fight it. Hyperpigmentation is something you fight, and not something you just relax and say, I pray it works. I'm gonna be patient, it works. It's gonna work if you're patient, but you just don't just stay patient and be using one product. You need to stay patient with multiple products. I'll get to the remedy at the end of the video. Fourth cause of hyperpigmentation is allergic products. That is, if you're allergic to some skincare products, or maybe you started using a particular product and you notice that you're getting darker by the day, some places on your skin is changing, just know that it's hyperpigmentation that is caused by those products. And if you don't stop those products on time, it's going to give you a chemical burn. And chemical burn is like the father of hyperpigmentation. Once you have it, it's going to take time. Or exogenous ochronosis. That is also another type of chemical burn that takes time to heal. So if you're in that table, you have a particular product that you started using, but it's making your skin dark, but you're trying to trust God so that your skin is going to get brighter. Let's say you started using retinoid and retinoid is burning your skin, is making you dark. My dear, stop using retinoid. Retinoid is not for everybody. There is this girl on TikTok, her skin was very smooth. Then she started using tretinoin. A brand sent her tretinoin. Guys, if you see her skin now, it's going to 4 months and her skin is getting bad and bad. And she's still trusting that the tretinoin is going to work for her. There's difference between tretinoin purge and breakout. At this point, she's breaking out. But no one's going to tell her. If you tell her, it's will be like, oh, how can you be telling me something like this when someone that knows better told me to use it? Well, she should keep on using it until she's tired of using it. That is it. The next one is heat exposure. You know, in the beginning, we talked about UV exposure. It's not the same with heat exposure. Your skin is always heated. You're always hot. You're in a very hot environment. You're always cooking. You're always in the kitchen. You are doing this. Your body is always hot. You're still prone to hyperpigmentation. You are highly prone to hyperpigmentation. Sometimes go out and cool off. It's not only hyperpigmentation that you can get from heat. Heat is something like you can get acne from heat. You can get keratosis pilaris from heat. You can get hyperpigmentation from heat. Like, heat can give you so many things. So if your body is always heated up, you're always on the go, you're always sweating, and you're wondering, why am I having hyperpigmentation all the time? Help me. My dear, you don't need help. What you need is to come out from that oven. You need to leave that oven if you want that hyperpigmentation to go. Then the last one is age. Age also helps increase hyperpigmentation, but for people that have a more advanced age, their hyperpigmentation is treated not only with products, it's treated with injections and so many procedures. That is why you see some older women are hot and classy, while some older women are looking old and have a lot of dark patches on their face, especially the fair older women. Some of our mothers made a lot of mistakes, and one of the mistakes is getting products they sell in the market. Maybe their friend bought, oh, Mama Kechi, your skin is glowing. Oh, what did you use? This product I bought is from Mama Aramide. They sell them for 2.5. You buy it and your skin will start glowing. Your skin will start brightening up. You're bleaching. From that bleaching, you start having dark patches. From there, you start having exogenous ochronosis and chemical burn. From there, your skin is gone. It's going to take a lot of work for that skin to come back. So, it's better not to use anything at all. It's better not to use sunscreen or anything at all than just using things you know nothing about. That is what our mothers, the mistakes they make, especially the fair ones. Why are you telling us to wait, to be patient when treating hyperpigmentation? Why does it take so much time? Guys, your skin can darken in one day, but treating that one day darkness, one day hyperpigment, can take you 3 to 6 months. You know why? Melanin is rooted deep into your skin. It takes a lot of layers for it to get to that melanin, for it to get to that melanocyte, that thing that produces melanin. It takes a lot of effort. That is why if you're fighting hyperpigmentation, you need to fight it with force. You don't need to just relax and say whatever is gonna work will work. You need to fight it like you're fighting a man that is trying to beat you. You need to fight it like that. Oh my god. Water is life, guys. I've told you guys what causes your hyperpigmentation, and if you're smart enough, you would have known that if you stop those things, your hyperpigmentation will reduce. And by using this routine and the products and the ingredients I'm going to talk about now, your hyperpigmentation is going to clear faster than someone that is just using the product. So if you do not watch the beginning of the video, you might want to watch it because it's going to help you. The first thing you need is sunscreen. Sunscreen is something that is non-negotiable when it comes to treating hyperpigmentation. Sunscreen will help cover you from the UVA and UVB rays from the sun. And that one is the leading cause of hyperpigmentation, like I said earlier. So sunscreen, you should get a sunscreen from SPF 50. Very good sunscreen. Like I told you, if you've been watching my video, I always talk about people that buy cheap sunscreen. If your sunscreen is below $10, know that that sunscreen is fake. Know that that sunscreen will not do much for you. All these, this one sunblock, this one, so I don't even know the name. Those ones that have the yellow and orange package, Gavia sunblock. This one's, all those ones are nothing. It's not doing anything for your skin, to be very honest. Dr. Rachel sunscreen is doing nothing for your skin. I have used it. I have used multiple sunscreen. Like every time I use sunscreen, I use a new one. I never use two sunscreens. I have used almost all the sunscreens in the market. And I can tell you that these ones I told you earlier are not going to do anything for your skin. Nothing. You can get Korean sunscreens. Original, oh, you see this bio UV, the fake is everywhere, so don't get it at all. Instead of getting the fake, just don't get sunscreen at all. Secondly, you need some products that can fight that melanocyte, some products that can reduce overproduction of melanin. Do you know that when you have a dark spot here, yeah, that dark spot can keep getting darker and darker and darker, like hyperpigmentation upon hyperpigmentation upon hyperpigmentation upon hyperpigmentation. That one is bad. It's going to take a very long time to get rid of. Like hyperpigmentation takes years. I still have a dark spot on my face. When I gave birth to my first child in 2023, I still have some of it on my face to show you how stubborn some dark spots are, especially if your dark spots and hyperpigmentation is caused by hormonal imbalances like pregnancy, birth control pills, and so on. Those ones are stubborn. Also, 3, you need products that have, like I said earlier, products that are going to reduce overproduction of melanin. Firstly, you need an alpha-arbutin. Write it down. Alpha-arbutin. Anything that has alpha-arbutin is going to work for you. Secondly, you need kojic acid. You can get the kojic acid soap. Original one, no. But if your skin is too sensitive to kojic acid, just leave it. Kojic acid is very, very strong. And if you're using kojic acid, just use it for 2 months and then stop. Thirdly, you can get a product that contains hydroquinone. Yes, hydroquinone. I know some of you will fight me, but hydroquinone is not bad. It's the way you use it that is bad. There's this hydroquinone cream that I was using, but I did discontinue production. I'm not going to mention it here. That one really worked for me. Like that product, hey, that product works for me. But I am very sure you're not going to see it again. I am very, very sure. So that one with hydroquinone really works for me. But you rarely see products that has hydroquinone because a lot of companies that produce creams with hydroquinone, include mercury inside it, and it is very, very dangerous to your skin and your organs. The fifth one is niacinamide. Niacinamide is very mild, not that serious, but some people can be allergic to niacinamide, people like me. Niacinamide also works. And the last one is vitamin C. You can try vitamin C. So all these things I call, it's not that you'll be using them. It's not that you go and buy everything I'll be using. You can take two from each one. Let's say you can take alpha arbutin and kojic acid and be using it together only at night. Then you can take vitamin C and niacinamide. No, you can take vitamin C and alpha arbutin. Use vitamin C in the morning and use alpha arbutin at night. Trust me, in 3 to 6 months, your skin is going to brighten, hyperpigmentation will clear, dark spots will get lighter. This is what you need. So if you found this video helpful, drop a like, a comment, and share. Then you can subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos, or maybe you can tell me what you want me to talk about, something that is going to interest you and interest everyone around you. So thank you so much for staying till the end of the video. I know many of you must have skipped and some of you did not stay, but if you have stayed till the end of the video, thank you so much. Tell me your skincare issue. If you're in Nigeria and you're battling hyperpigmentation, send me a DM on this number. This is for people that watch till the end. I may be able to help you with your skin, including the products, depending on where you are in Nigeria, okay? Bye, guys.